guys, how's it going? Today out here flying the DC3 again. So after the last flight, had a little bit of mishap with the landing gear. Had to repair that. After that crash, reviewing the video a little bit, I'm going to try some using the flaps a little bit. I actually haven't used the flaps at all while I've flown it. Trying to come in a little bit slower on the speed. And I noticed on the crash, I came in pretty steep when I hit the ground. I need to try to, bring it a little like flatter and slower when I actually come into land. So I'm going to practice that a little bit today. Something else I'm going to try is I got a low voltage sensor. So I got it set to 3.2 volts. I'm going to plug it into the battery so that way I can monitor how long I can run the plane for. I've just been being conservative and only flying like 4.5 minutes or so. I think I should get a little bit longer run time than that because I can run at about 50% power. So I'm going to plug that in and be able to fly it around, and then it'll beep at me really loud when the battery's at 3.2 volts, and then I'll bring it into land. And then I'll be able to set my timer up on my controller a lot more accurately. So that just plugs right into the balance port. So here's the balance port, and there's a negative wire on there. You just got to line up the negative with the negative on here. So it'll just go like this. So there it is, and then it'll say the volts on there. And then I got it set 3.2, so it'll beep at me once I get 3.2. So I'll just set that down in there, and then plug the battery in and be ready to go. got done flying it on the battery. I flew it for 5.5 minutes and I didn't hear the alarm go off. I'm going to test it, see what we got right now. It's kind of hard to see what's in the plane. So I still got about 0.5 I could still go on this battery. So I'm going to bump my time up to probably a 5-minute timer on my controller then and run it at that. I'm still just being really cautious with it. I don't want to, you know, have battery die. And it's pretty windy out today. This is the first day I've flown it with a lot of wind, so I want to, you know, keep quite a bit of power. Crash the DC3 just took off. It was pretty windy out here and took off and the wind caught it and just tipped it right over and just hit the nose straight on and broke the main part of the fuselage pretty good, broke both nacelles on the engine. The wing looks pretty good, the rest of the fuselage looks pretty good. The tail obviously is fine. This should be rebuildable. It's gonna be some work though, and I got some other projects I'm working on right now, so stay tuned for that stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.